actually wasn't going to do this tour straight away, but I will now because I'm just so excited to be here. So I'm in Rome. I won't be putting up a tour of this apartment until I leave because people could find it. I got it on Airbnb. I'll link it below actually because I won't be here. I'll video this separately and put it over while I'm talking. So you come in a big door, so there's one key for that, and then you come into like a little courtyard, and then there's a door to the left, which is mine. There's another key for that. That brings you into like the stairway where the lift is. The lift is so old. It's like the ones you have to open the doors on the inside and the outside yourself, and you can like see through the lift. So you go up in the lift, and then when you get to my floor, you go in a door, and then there's like a shared hallway between me and whoever's next door, and then you go into my front door. So there's 4 keys that you need to get into here. If you're looking for somewhere that's safe, I'd say this is probably it. Now I've only been here about an hour, so you come in this door. Honestly, it looks bigger in real life than it did on Airbnb. This is the hallway. First room you come to. I've already made a mess of some of the rooms. The bathroom, a nice sink, 2 mirrors, the shower, and then toilet, and I will not be using that. This apartment has 3 air conditioners, so there's one above the bathroom door. The next one is in here in the bedroom. Can you like see how tall it is by how little I can reach up the wall? I'll show you videos of the outside during the day, like the views out the windows. There's a little ironing board there. You come into the kitchen. There's a washing machine. It's like tiny. There's my foot. I'm a size 5, 6. That's like the oven thing. And then you come through here. I like the way they have curtains separate. You have like a dining room area. There's the last air conditioner. And this is like the sitting room area.